Hi, in today's video we want to talk about backup. So backup your documents until it's not too late. Let's suppose we have this project, we write many pages. Let's copy everything and paste it sometimes. So let's see how much we get it. We have this document. And let's see about what methods of backup we have. Let's go to Options, LibreOffice, Load, Save, and here General. By default, these are not checked, so we need to check them. And I check here, I change to 5 minutes. And I check also always create backup copy. Let's see what is happening, but first let's see where it's going our backup. So the path is here, backup, let's edit. I want to change to forms here in order to see what is happening. Let's restart. Let's open our document. And now this is a folder on the right where the backup will go. So let's save it. We have the same name, but here it's ODT, here it's back from backup. We have a copy. But let's see what is happening if we edit day by day, but one day we make a mistake. We change something that is wrong. We open the project, maybe not just deleting, but removing something important. And when we open the backup, let's see what is in the backup. In the backup is what we saved recently, so nothing. So this is a good option if the last backup is also good. Another way is to use extension. So let's search in extension LibreOffice.org for backup. So we have timestamp backup. Let's download this, but I have already downloaded. And now let's open that extension. Okay, scroll down and accept. We need to accept the terms. Close, restart. And now let's open our document. Let's write again the project and let's see how this extension help us. Let's write something. Let's write some paragraph. Okay, so we have 15 pages. We have a backup automatically when we save it, but if we activate here the menu bar, we have File, Save and Timestamp Backup. You can see I have the same name, also the date and time when we save it. If I write something else and again I save, and from here File, Save and Timestamp, I have the same project with the new date and new time. If I make a mistake and delete everything and now save and timestamp, I have a timestamp for the good project. I have 2 copies and you can see here 9 kilobytes. It's a bad copy. So let's open. We have a copy of the good project and a copy of the bad project, which is broken. So now we can go back to previous versions that have the text we needed. This way we can have everything from the last days. By default, this extension should be here, but it's not. So we need to go here. Another way is to go to Customize, but it's not working. I wanted to search for this extension and to create a keyboard shortcut, but it's not working because I don't find this extension here somewhere. If we go to the user interface, the default one, we have this extension here like an icon. So if I'm writing something and backup, every time I click that, I have a new backup. So let's see. If I click that, I have a new backup. It's very easy to create a backup. with an icon. I cannot do that in so let's go to customize again, to search keyboard. I don't see here how to do that, how to activate that icon, that option with a shortcut. So let's go back. So that was all about backup. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more. Thank you.